What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Husqvarna string trimmer. And the problem is sometimes it starts and then dies, and then other times it won't start at all. This trimmer looks practically brand new, so it's hard to believe it has any serious issues at all, other than a minor carburetor problem or maybe some bad gas. Let's go ahead and prime the fuel system and try starting it. Well, it did try to start, so maybe only a minor carburetor adjustment is the only thing it needs. Before we do that, let's go ahead and check the gas, as it came with gas in it, and check to see if it's okay. Well, the gasoline looks okay in the tank, but let's go ahead and pour it out into a glass container and take a good look at it. And this is our first problem right here. The gas mixture looks very light, as if it doesn't have enough oil in it. Let's go ahead and put our own gas in it and give it another shot and see if it makes any bit of a difference. And unfortunately it still didn't start, so let's spray some starter fluid in the carburetor to see if there's a fuel delivery issue. And unfortunately it didn't start again, so let's go ahead and check it for maybe an intermittent spark issue that's causing this problem. Let's go ahead and remove the spark plug and see if it's all wet, and that would indicate that the engine is flooded and why it won't start. And in this case, the spark plug is dry, which is a bad indication that there's actually something else wrong with the engine. Let's go ahead and check the compression to see if that's okay now. And unfortunately, this is the worst case scenario. Looks like either it was ran with the wrong oil mixture for a year or so, or it was ran with straight gas just once. Unfortunately, this engine is going to need a new top-end kit. Although I might have to consider it, as this is not a cheap trimmer, so it's definitely worth rebuilding. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.